What's going on, guys? This is Christian. So I've been a homeowner for a little over 4.5 years and done random DIY projects from owning a home. If any of you are homeowners, I'm sure you've run into various things. And I've used YouTube a lot to solve pretty much every single problem that comes up. YouTube it, and then it's a lot cheaper that way. So today, actually doing a little fix on my shower. So this is day 2 of the shower fix. So about a month ago, I was in the shower and all of a sudden the water just made this like loud vibrating noise, and all of a sudden the water just shut off. And so I took the shower head apart, took the nozzle apart. And I found, I think behind the nozzle is called a shower cartridge, and did a little bit of damage to that, and then bought a new shower head and it worked. But the problem was when you turn the shower completely off, or the nozzle completely to the off position, it still leaks. So today I believe the shower cartridge is the issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that and show you guys how I do it. And then, yeah, this will be the first video. So thanks for watching. All right, so here we are in the shower. So here's the new shower head. Yep, shower head. So whatever, all works fine and dandy there. But you can see, so here it's actually in the off position. I should actually already turn the water off so you won't be able to see. But right about here is where it is off, but it should be turning off fully over there. So anytime you take a shower, you flip it on to hot, and then you go to turn it off. Well, if you're not careful and you turn it all the way off over here, then it continues to drip. So just trying to solve that problem today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart and then show you what I'm doing. So the first thing you wanna do is find the little spot there that has the Allen wrench hole. You can kind of see it. There it is. So you wanna figure out what kind of size Allen wrench you have in there. I bought one of these kits that has pretty much every size Allen wrench. So today I'm dealing with 7/64 inch, but yours could vary. All right, so I got the handle off, and this is kind of what it looks like. Basically, you just take a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew it, whatnot. Same thing for this guy here, and then this guy up here. You can use a drill. I would just recommend using the screwdriver to get the initial tightness out of it. Same thing for tightening it. Use this. You can use the drill for the first 80% of tightening it, but that last 20% you want to use a screwdriver. That way, you avoid stripping the screw. So I'm gonna keep working here and then catch up with you in a minute. A second ago I mentioned these 2 screws here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them for now. I think I might actually not need to get back that far. So the next step, I will just be taking this little pin out with probably a pair of pliers. And it could be pretty stuck in there, so gotta be careful not to break it off. There we go. All right, so here I have the shower cartridge, pretty much available at this point. So you can see up here at the top how it says there were some letters there. It's supposed to say HC. So that's the part I damaged when I first tried to fix this. So it makes it kind of hard to get out. Also, it's pretty stuck in there. So luckily, the thing that I bought to replace it comes with one of these removable caps. So you just stick that on there. We're gonna put it in there, rotate it a little bit, get it loose, and then we should be able to just pull it straight out. All right, just kind of got it loosened up after using this cap that comes with the kit. It kind of goes around here like so, as you can see, slides right on there, and you're able to use these pliers to move it kind of easily. You can see, kind of loosens it up pretty easily, but that really gave me no luck. So then I was trying to pull on this piece afterwards, but I found if I just made my pliers a little bigger, to that bigger setting, I was able to go pretty much right in there, and then yank right here, and that kind of was able to come right out. So it's pretty hard to get out. Definitely take some patience, and don't do what I did the first time by breaking it off. Cartridge out of there. I've got the new one right here. So make sure lube it up on both sides. Those little black rubber pieces. just to make sure it goes in nice and easily. Also, I don't know if I said this before, but you see the little HC there. Make sure that's on top, if that's how it was. If it was on the bottom, make sure it's also on the bottom when you install it. It's just however it was installed at your house. So if it's on the bottom, they just put it in backwards. But if you don't reinstall it that way, then you're gonna have problems. You might have hot where the cold is, vice versa, or something along that line. All right, just put this retainer clip back in there, and as it's kind of coming through the top, and then it goes into this little hole, you kind of see it right down there. It wasn't wanting to line up and go in, so I just used little flathead screwdriver, pushed it in there against the clip, and then banged on the top of it a little bit. Not too hard, you don't want to break it, but just a little bit to kind of encourage it to get in there. Did the same thing with this eye, so just pushed on that clip while just giving it a little tap on the top, and all right in. All right, so just kind of screwed it all back on there. Just got asking the wife to turn the water on, and we will see. Here it is. See if it's still leaking or not. Seems to be pretty good. No leaking yet. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on, and then there it is. Oh. Turn it all the way off. So, cool. Looks like it worked. So as you can see, just reinstalled the nozzle. So this is the complete off position all the way to the right, or excuse me, left. And in this position before, it was leaking. As you can see, there is no water coming down right now. So the off position before, what we'd have to do is leave it about there or so. And if you do it all the way, it would leak a good bit. So yeah, that's all I've got. So here's the tools we had to use. So I used a drill, pair of pliers, each kind of screwdriver. I just got my assortment of Allen wrenches, and then there's the old shower cartridge. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was able to help you, you know, take out your shower cartridge, put a new one in, or maybe just get back there into your shower nozzle, or whatever you had going on today. So thanks for watching once again, and I'm sure I'll be doing something myself here pretty soon when the next thing breaks. So thanks again. See you guys.